In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone inside the Rednote application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Rednote, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, click on the bottom right hand corner of the page where it says me. And now from here, we want to click onto the gear icon and then find privacy settings and tap onto that. And now inside privacy settings, scroll down and we're going to see under relationship, block users. This is where all your blocked users are kept. Now simply click into that, find the person who you want to unblock. So if I want to unblock this user here, I'm going to simply click onto them. And then once we're on their profile, it will say no reviewing content because you've got them blocked. So if you want to unblock them, there's two different ways. You can click this red button here that says unblock, or click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the page here. And then at the bottom of the screen, it's got unblock. So go ahead and click on unblock, click on unblock again. And now you can view their content and then they can view your content as well